Hello there, welcome to Inter. It is so wonderful to meet you all. I have been observing you for quite some time now. You humans are a funny little species, aren't you? But where are my manners? My name is I, your guide for today's journey. I am on a mission to help life forms across the Interverse create a future of peaceful harmony, where every sentient being can come alive to their full potential and unleash their extraordinary energy into their world. That's why I established Inter, the first outpost in your reality that allows humanity to access the wisdom of the Interverse. Beyond your world are thousands upon thousands of other worlds, interconnected across countless other realities, each bursting with life as beautiful and complex as yours. Though you may not see them yet, what you do here influences not just your own life, but also the lives of your fellow humans, and even impacts the furthest reaches of the Interverse. As you prepare to ascend into Inter, there are a few things to keep in mind. I encourage you to take a moment to leave your worries behind. This is an opportunity to escape the chaos of New York City and reconnect with the present. Inside, you'll traverse across 2 floors of interactive experiences and generative exhibits. Allow yourself to be curious and take your time exploring. It's always better to focus on enjoying the journey without worrying about the destination. If you want to enhance your experience further, try using your reality shifting glasses in different areas to unlock a special view of the Interverse. Remember to be on the lookout for moments where you can shape the Interverse. The light will guide your way. Keep an eye out for some of the glowing interactive touchpoints located throughout the outpost. Each experience has wisdom hidden within, but it's up to you to unleash it. Whether you're setting an intention or tuning into the cosmos with quiet meditation, Inter will reveal its secrets to those who are open and willing to explore it all. If you find something interesting, share it with a stranger. At Inter, just like in life, be kind to each other, be compassionate, and be collaborative. It makes the experience even better. If you're feeling lost, have light sensitivity, or just have a question, please ask for guidance from an Interguardian. These team members are there to help you navigate the journey safely and productively. So, are you ready to explore? Your journey starts now.
Okay, now it's going to head upstairs.
Self-reflect.
to trigger the sensors, you need to be moving close to the wall of your body, and that will trigger the interaction.
Please turn into Guardian, and we will assist you to the next exhibit. When the show begins, there will be moments to watch and take everything in, and moments to get curious about you have. The more you explore, the more you'll discover. To unlock the best interactions possible, stay a few steps back from the wall. Now, let us begin. You have officially crossed into the in-between realms of the interverse. Well, don't just stand there. Look around you. If you look very carefully, you will realize that all phenomena around you are actually composed of fundamental elements, each existing within the balance of the others. Experience these for yourself as a step to understanding your true nature as the vastly powerful, joyful, and free being you truly are. Let go of any worries in your mind and focus on enjoying where you are, right here, right now. On your journey inside Inter, follow the lights and sounds as you explore. This is ether, also called empty space. It may look like nothingness, but in the empty space exists infinite creative possibilities. It's up to all of us to fill it with wonder. Move around, fill this space.
Reaction. Pretty cool.
5. An immensely powerful energy.
嗯。
writing on here. What do you want to hold? And I want to hold peace. I want to hold family. I want to hold love. Many people says magic. People says respect. Somebody says 2012. Happiness, forgiveness, family. Oh, and you can write it. Well, I'm going to write mine. And I'm going to say peace. Peace. See my message, peace. Clear your mind and focus on good vibrations. Sit down, close your eyes, and meditate for you. Long as you want to feel the common vibrations while you search for the inner peace. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for so much love for subscribing to my channel. If you're new, thanks for joining. If you're not new, make sure you hit that follow button for more videos. So I just came to this new spot for Inter I Am. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's like a huge meditation for the mind and the spirit. And I really enjoyed myself. It was really short as I didn't expect, but you know, it's something to do. I hope y'all guys like it. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave your comments below if you enjoyed it. Thanks for the support. And you know, I'm gonna just continue to enjoy the rest of my day and try to show you guys. I'm hungry now, but let's check out the gift shop. I used to have when I was a little Thank you, thank you.
It was really good. Like, first time, lots of like energetic things, fun material. I thought that was neat.
They actually did this free locker, and all you gotta do is like enter like your random number, and then you lock it, and it's free. Pretty cool.
No, definitely.
Have a great day.
I'm a teacher, so I have a few C's at home. Oh, listen.
Expensive to me because I've been putting the hands for the south and getting zero money from it, going straight to their account. They get their portion statement, then theirs go straight to their account.
On like a time.
Anything that's high, anything that the people want, they sell it. That's what all athletes do. All athletes do like from the club. All the rappers, all the
6:30.
Đại ca ngồi sổ.
Can I have a sample of the plain yogurt? Thank you. Hey guys, so we're at Bloomingdale's, my old job, my first job, and I purchased a frozen yogurt. This is the plain yogurt. I got some mango and some strawberries and granola, and I basically wanted to sit back. It's like it tastes like a little sour. And it tastes so good. Tastes so good. Now, you know, every time when you go to places and nobody know how to mind their business, so I'm in Bloomingdale's, and there's some people that keep staring at me, and I'm gonna flip the camera around. So the guy and the kids and the grandma, they talking about me. I know because she keeps staring at me, but we wanna face them, and I'm gonna show you how they are pretending to roll their eyes, and you look, just watch. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I came to my old job. I used to work here in 2000 and I think 2014. I started working here. I was working at the 40 Carat cafe as a food server, and I think I was like 23. No, yeah, I was working here in 2014. This was my first real job, and after summer, if you guys remember that we had summer jobs for the kids that's like 13 and used to get paid like on a card, and we used to work days. I know they still have it. Anywho, that's another story. Well, I was working here, and this job was so draining and took me in so much memories. I used to sit in this cafeteria, and and it changed a lot. And I just sat in the cafeteria, and I'm just basically just asking God, like, oh, I just pray that I find another job that make more. Because when I was working here, I was making $12 an hour, 12.50, and everybody in the other departments, like the sales associate, they used to pay more than me, and they used to look down on me. And when I had my uniforms, I used to have a purple shirt, and I used to with a black hat. I will find a picture. I think about showing you guys my photo. I think about it. I'm not sure, but to come back here and and some people still working here after so many years. So to come back, it feels really good. It feels good to actually do something. My job that I have is it's not the greatest, but it's better than what I had before. And I'm just grateful because no job is perfect. No job is perfect, but in situations things could be worse. So, yeah, I look tired, guys. Like my eyes, I look so tired. But I went to this place called Inter, and they give you these little the glasses. I didn't even use them because it makes me feel a little blind, but it feel like the room kind of sucks you in. It's that place is really nice. It's short. I feel like the pricing is too expensive because I paid like $55, and I thought that you were probably gonna get like a free bag. No, but it was a good. I love I love that I'm growing up. I love that even though I'm by myself and people be staring at me, it don't really bother me so much. It's bothers me a little bit, but not so much. I love that I can get up and go and not worry about somebody staring at me, and it feels good. It feels good. I'm tired now, but I'm just really sitting back and just like looking. Wow, like it's amazing how time go past, and I'm just grateful for the. I'm grateful for everything. My life wasn't easy, and nobody else. I'm a strong soldier. I'm not married yet. Maybe one day I get married, and I don't have a kid. I would love to have a child, but I haven't met the right person. That right person haven't came into my world yet, so I'm just going to just continue just living life. And if I meet that, oh, you 30 years old, you don't want to get married? Yeah, a lot of people ask me to marry them. Random people in the streets. But oh my God, you look like you could be somebody's wife. Why are you not married? I was engaged, and yeah, that was a temporary thing, and things happen. Things happen. That wasn't my person, and having a kid, I'm a little old school, so I believe that I'd rather be a guy friend and then build it up and experience the 5 seasons of life again to know the person. I think if you ask me what is my relationship status, I'm talking to someone, and I am talking to somebody, but I guess that in life is when you apply for a job, and when you apply for a job, and it would say, are you single or married or divorced? And the option is for me is I'm single because yeah, I don't have a ring on my finger. I don't got a ring. There's no ring on my ring finger. There's like no ring at all. And I know a lot of people say, "Oh, what happened? I thought you was engaged." Yeah, but you have to understand, if you were engaged, you still single because you're not legally married, so you're not really actually off the market as well. So technically, I'm still single. Like no man came up to me and said, "Hey, I want to get married today. Let's go city hall or let's plan a wedding." Nobody really haven't did that for me. People say, "Oh, I'm gonna marry you one day." People say things, but that don't mean they're gonna really do it. And I'm not in a rush to get married. I'm not in a rush to have kids. If it happens, it happens. But I pray that it would be with somebody that loves me and that accept me, and let parenthood be like a partnership. I don't like those roles that the woman have to do everything by herself and while the man just sit down in a sofa. And yeah, I know I'm African American, and most people project me, put me in a label that, oh, I'm gonna put the guy on child support, and that I'm going to stress them out, and I'm gonna keep away the kid. Every black girl is not the same. Every black girl is so totally different. And if you watch my videos, you can tell that I'm different. I'm so different in so many ways. I was raised in a strict household. I was raised to listen and respect my elders, my great parents, my great great grandma. Raised me, taught me everything. So I'm real. I'm well mannered. I try to act like I'm a party girl. I ain't no party girl, but I be trying. I like to. It's okay to pretend. But then when I go to parties, it's like I really don't want to be there because I rather do something activity, something fun. But I feel like most in YouTube channels, people want to see the nightlife. People want to see girls. This world is a little different. The guys on YouTube, they just want to see girls. Girls half naked, girls twerking, girls just doing sexual stuff. And I'm not quite comfortable doing all that stuff, so I guess I'll find somebody else to do that. Another girl. Now today this generation is so different. I'm not here to judge nobody or criticize nobody, but I'm supposed to be somebody's wife. I am supposed to be somebody's mother. I don't supposed to be single, but you know what? I'd rather be single than be in a wrong relationship. Be or have a kid by a man that don't even want to have my kid. But I'm not the type of person to sleep around with multiple people. I do not do those. I feel like when you have multiple partners, those spirits that that guy have or his problems becoming your problems, and I believe that. But yeah, it was a good day. People stared at me. A lot of people complimented me with my outfit. This is like the first time I'm wearing my hair natural. This is not. This is something new to me. But I had yogurt, which was so good. It was like plain yogurt from Bloomingdale's 40 Carat in Soho. And yeah, today was a successful day. My earrings are from, I would add where I got my earrings from. My dresses from Sheen. I keep saying it right. I don't know if I'm saying it right or wrong. Well, y'all know what I mean, but I would add it in the video to anybody wanted to know where I bought these earrings. I'm going to end this video because I'm going to go home now. I might do a little shopping, so I don't know. I don't need to be. I don't need to be spending no money. I'm on a budget. I don't need to spend no money. I need to get my behind straight home. But I'm just gonna end this video now. Thank you everyone that watched my channel. Thank you everyone that supported me through this journey. I'm so grateful that I have like 64. I think I have 65 subscribers now. That's better than having 20. I started a channel with only like 20 people. So that's like something so grateful, and I'm just so grateful for everyone that even if you watch my even if you did not subscribe and you just watching, thank you. Excuse me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for even showing me that love. You don't even have to subscribe. I wish you subscribe to my channel, but later in time, maybe if you find something interested in me, you probably will subscribe one day. If not, it's okay. I still appreciate you. Yes, I do stutter. My words is not always perfect, and I'm not ashamed. So if I say a word wrong, please forgive me. I ain't perfect, and I don't want to be perfect. But this YouTube channel is just me blogging my life and talking and just showing you guys what I go through, what I see every day. Yeah, that's pretty much about who this Quay is, because that is me. Just a channel about me expressing my feelings, showing you the world, showing you how people stare at me, taking you places so I've been through, telling my story, me traveling, me, you guys even meeting my family one day. But yeah, yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna talk your head up because I can talk. But bye, guys, and take care. And yeah, safe travels later. Bye.
Funnan infalie malitentula malitentula ndabalitentula Afunnan infalie malitentula malitentula ndabalitentula Kole atale ulale diminda ye Bali tentula nje bali tentula Fonna nimfali ye Bali tentula nje bali tentula Malitentula, te malitentula. Ula kole atale, ula le diminda ye. Malitentula, te malitentula. Malitentula, de malitentula, yeah. Malitentula, de malitentula, yeah. Malitentula, de malitentula, de malitentula. Yakata, imayelele. Yakata, imayelele. Yakata, malitentula, de malitentula. Yakata, binti konte, kemososo. Avanani mfalie, malitentula. Malitentula, Yakata, binti konte, kemososo. Yakata, yakata imani Funani mfalie Malitentula Ndabalitentula Afanani mfalie Malitentula Ndabalitentula Kole atale Ula le timinda ye Valitentula Nde valitentula Afanani mfali ye Valitentula Nde valitentula yeah. Valitentura Ulo koleata Ulo koleata Nena alfalu buna Avanani mfaliye Valitentula Ulo koleata Ulo dimo Uliakata Imayelungele Uliakata Yakata Imayelungele